Hello, my name is Mike Etherton. I'm the safety officer for the Gloversville Enlarged School District, and today I'm going to explain to you our trauma care kits, which we have purchased and put in every classroom throughout the district. So in every classroom in our district, we have a bag. It looks just like this, and in that bag we have 3 individual trauma care kits, which when they are all wrapped up, they look like this. In each kit, you will find, all these kits are identical to one another. In each kit, you will find a tourniquet. This is called a SWAT-T. It stands for stretch, wrap, and tuck. Very simple tourniquet to use. Triangular bandage for securing or immobilizing a limb. Medical shears for cutting clothing. Z-Pack dressing. This is used for packing a wound on somebody, whether it's an extremity or somewhere within their torso area. And high fin vent occlusive dressings. These dressings are used to seal up an entry and exit wound on somebody's torso. And also in each one of these kits is a pair of rubber gloves to protect you from blood-borne diseases. As a parent of 2 children, this training is necessary from my viewpoint due to the society that we live in today. Do we want this in our schools? No. Do we need this in our schools? Yes. In the near future here, we will be sending out permission slips. In order for your child to be trained in the proper use of the trauma care kits, you will need to fill that permission slip out and return that back to the school. Once we receive the permission slips, we will then go ahead and start sending out some dates that we are going to be doing this training. Please understand that this training takes about an hour and a half to conduct. Thank you very much for your time.